Turn $100 into your first step toward financial freedom. Here's how to start investing online in 2025. Investing has become more accessible than ever thanks to modern technology and online platforms. With as little as $100, beginners can step into the world of investing and start building wealth. But with so many options available, where should you put your money to get the best returns while managing risk effectively? To answer this question, I embarked on an investment experiment 4 years ago. I invested $100 into 5 different assets that anyone can purchase online with minimal effort. Today, I will evaluate their performance based on the following criteria. 1. Learning curve. How much time and effort are required to understand and start investing? 2. Passive income potential. Can the investment generate ongoing income without selling it? 3. Tax efficiency. Are there any tax benefits associated with this investment? 4. Risk level. What are the chances of losing money and how volatile is the investment? 5. Results. How much has my $100 investment grown or shrunk over 4 years? By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear idea of which investment options align best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 1. Investing in individual stocks. Buying individual stocks allows you to own a portion of a company that you believe in. It's one of the most direct ways to invest in businesses and benefit from their growth. Unlike mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which pool multiple stocks together, investing in individual stocks gives you direct control over your investments, allowing you to target companies with strong financials, solid growth prospects, or innovative business models. Evaluation. Learning curve. High. Investing in individual stocks requires a deep understanding of financial statements, company performance, and market trends. Investors must analyze balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow reports to assess a company's financial health. Additionally, staying informed about industry trends, economic conditions, and competitive positioning is crucial to making sound investment decisions. Beginners may find this overwhelming, making it essential to educate themselves or seek guidance from financial experts. Passive income potential. Good. While investing in individual stocks can provide income through dividends, not all companies distribute profits to shareholders. Some companies reinvest earnings into expansion and innovation, which can lead to long-term capital appreciation instead. Investors who choose dividend-paying stocks can generate passive income over time, but growth stocks may provide higher returns if they appreciate significantly in value. Tax efficiency. Great. Investing in individual stocks can be highly tax efficient, especially when done through tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, or 401ks. These accounts allow investors to defer or avoid taxes on capital gains and dividends, maximizing long-term returns. Even in taxable brokerage accounts, strategic tax planning such as tax loss harvesting can help minimize liabilities. Risk level. High. Stock prices can fluctuate significantly due to factors such as economic downturns, industry disruptions, and company-specific risks. While some companies may deliver impressive returns, others can decline drastically. Investing in individual stocks carries a higher risk than diversified investments like ETFs or mutual funds. Investors must be prepared for market volatility and potential losses, which underscores the importance of risk management strategies like diversification and stop-loss orders. Results. Stock performance comparison. To illustrate the rewards and risks of investing in individual stocks, let's examine the hypothetical performance of a $100 investment in several well-known companies. Samsung. A $100 investment is now worth $68, reflecting a 32% return. Apple. A $100 investment has grown to $169. Microsoft. A $100 investment has appreciated to $187. Nvidia. A $100 investment has skyrocketed to $907. This comparison highlights the significant differences in stock performance over time. NVIDIA's remarkable gains demonstrate how selecting the right stock can lead to exponential returns. Conversely, Samsung's decline underscores the risks involved in picking individual stocks. Even established companies can underperform due to various challenges, such as competition, economic headwinds, or shifting consumer preferences. Conclusion: investing in individual stocks can be highly rewarding, but it requires careful research, patience, and a tolerance for risk. While some stocks may deliver incredible returns, others may experience losses. To mitigate risk, investors should consider diversifying their portfolios and staying informed about market trends. Additionally, utilizing tax-advantaged accounts can enhance overall returns. For those willing to put in the effort, individual stock investing offers the potential for both income and long-term wealth growth. 2. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer individuals a way to invest in real estate without the need to purchase, manage, or maintain physical properties. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate across various sectors, including commercial, residential, industrial, healthcare, and retail properties. By law, REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, making them an attractive option for investors seeking consistent passive income. Understanding REITs and their benefits. REITs function similarly to mutual funds, pooling capital from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. This structure allows individuals to gain exposure to the real estate market without the large capital requirements, management responsibilities, and risks associated with direct property ownership. REITs can be publicly traded on stock exchanges, publicly non-traded, or privately held, each with varying levels of liquidity and risk. One of the biggest advantages of investing in REITs is accessibility. Unlike direct real estate investments, which require significant upfront capital, REITs allow investors to start with small amounts and still benefit from real estate appreciation and rental income. Additionally, since REITs are professionally managed, investors do not have to worry about property management, tenant issues, or maintenance costs. Evaluation of REIT investments. Learning curve: moderate. Investing in REITs is easier than directly owning and managing real estate, but still requires an understanding of different REIT structures, market trends, and economic factors that influence property values and rental income. Investors should analyze REIT financials, management efficiency, occupancy rates, and debt levels before making investment decisions. Passive income potential: great. The mandatory high dividend payout ratio makes REITs an excellent source of passive income. Unlike many traditional stocks which may reinvest profits instead of paying dividends, REITs prioritize returning income to shareholders, providing a steady cash flow. Tax efficiency: great. Although REIT dividends are generally taxable as ordinary income, holding REITs in tax-advantaged accounts such as an IRA or 401k can significantly reduce tax burdens. This strategy allows investors to maximize returns while minimizing tax liabilities. Risk level: medium. REITs are subject to market fluctuations, interest rate changes, and economic downturns, which can affect their valuation. However, they tend to be more stable than individual stocks because they are backed by tangible assets, real estate properties that generate consistent income. Additionally, diversified REIT portfolios help mitigate risks associated with specific properties or locations. Investment performance and results. For this evaluation, we consider a hypothetical investment of $100 in a REIT. Over a certain period, the market value of this investment has declined slightly to $99, reflecting a 1% loss in capital. However, because REITs distribute dividends, the investor has received $12 in dividends during the same period. When considering both capital appreciation and dividend income, The total return on investment is plus 11%. This performance illustrates one of the key advantages of REITs. Even if the market price fluctuates, the steady stream of dividends can offset losses and provide a net positive return. Over time, reinvesting dividends can further enhance returns through the power of compounding. Why REITs are a strong investment choice? REITs offer a balance between steady income generation and long-term appreciation, making them an attractive option for investors seeking passive income. They provide diversification, liquidity for publicly traded REITs, and lower capital barriers compared to direct real estate investments. Moreover, their performance tends to be resilient over long periods, especially in strong rental markets. Investors should consider factors such as interest rate trends, economic conditions, and sector-specific risks when selecting REITs. For instance, retail REITs may struggle during economic downturns, whereas healthcare REITs could remain stable due to the essential nature of medical facilities. Conclusion: investing in REITs can be a smart way to gain real estate exposure while earning passive income. With their strong dividend payouts, tax advantages, and lower management responsibilities, REITs serve as a viable alternative to traditional real estate investments. While they do carry some risks, including market volatility and sensitivity to interest rates, their ability to generate consistent income makes them an appealing choice for long-term investors looking for stability and cash flow. 3. Investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has emerged as one of the most disruptive financial innovations, offering decentralized digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. While it has created substantial wealth, it remains highly volatile. Evaluation: learning curve, moderate, requires understanding digital wallets, exchanges, and blockchain technology. Passive income potential, moderate. Staking and yield farming can generate returns, but they come with risks. Tax efficiency, poor. Crypto transactions are heavily taxed and cannot be held in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs. Risk level, very high. Cryptocurrency markets are extremely volatile, with the potential for both huge gains and devastating losses. Results: a $100 investment in Bitcoin is now worth $652, reflecting a 552% return. This highlights the extraordinary potential of cryptocurrency investments, but also underscores their high-risk nature. 4. Investing in gold. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, often used as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Evaluation: learning curve, low. Buying gold is straightforward, whether through physical assets, bars, coins, or ETFs. Passive income potential, 0. Gold does not generate ongoing income. Tax efficiency, good. Certain gold investments, such as specific coins, can have tax advantages. Risk level, medium. Gold is generally stable but doesn't offer significant growth potential. Results: a $100 investment in gold is now worth $140, reflecting a 40% return. While gold may not provide explosive growth like stocks or crypto, it remains a reliable asset for wealth preservation. 5. Investing in index funds. Index funds allow investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks that track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Evaluation: learning curve, low, easy to understand and requires minimal management. Passive income potential, moderate, offers some dividends but is mainly focused on long-term growth. Tax efficiency, great, can be held in tax-advantaged accounts to maximize growth. Risk level, low, spreads risk across many companies, making it a safer investment choice. Results: a $100 investment in an S&P 500 index fund is now worth $180, reflecting a 80% return. Index funds are ideal for long-term investors looking for consistent returns with minimal effort. Final takeaways: best investment choices for beginners. Each investment option comes with unique advantages and risks. Here's a quick recap. For fast growth, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, had the highest return but is highly volatile. For steady growth and diversification, index funds provided consistent and reliable returns. For passive income, REITs generated dividend income along with potential appreciation. For wealth preservation, gold maintained its value and grew modestly. For high-risk, high-reward opportunities, individual stocks performed variably, with some seeing massive gains and others declining in value. Key investing lessons. Diversification is key. Spreading investments across different asset classes reduces risk. Start early. The sooner you invest, the more you benefit from compound growth. Think long-term. Short-term market fluctuations are inevitable, but long-term strategies generally yield positive results. If you're ready to start investing, don't wait for the perfect time. Small, consistent investments can grow into significant wealth over time. Whether you choose stocks, REITs, crypto, gold, or index funds, the most important step is taking action today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing tips and financial insights on our YouTube channel. Hi. The total return on investment is plus 11%.